Hello, my name is Victoria Theodore, and people know me for my work with Stevie Wonder and Beyoncé, the Donna Summer musical that was on Broadway, and a few other things. I'm here to teach you how to become a classical pianist, or at least give you some tips on how to become a better classical pianist. Classical music is beautiful, wonderful, sumptuous, exciting, and some of the most incredible people in history have studied classical music. Oscar Peterson, Chick Corea, Alicia Keys, Charlie Puth, even Albert Einstein. There are lots of reasons to learn classical music. Maybe you were inspired by a stunning piece. Maybe you fell in love with a great composer like Schumann, or maybe you saw a performance that took your breath away. Whatever your reason, I know that you can learn to play classical music. Classical music is so much more than notes on a page. It's dynamics, articulation, touch, feel, drama, passion. I'm going to show you some tips in this video to help you to start playing better right away. First, let's talk about hand posture. Notice when I play this with poor hand posture. So I'm going to have my wrist way down here, my fingers kind of scrunched up. Not only does it sound terrible, it actually hurts. But when I put my hand on the piano so that I have a gentle arch and I'm relaxed, now listen. Minuet in G is so much nicer with proper hand posture. You can try that today. Shape your hand, have a flow in the wrist and in the elbow, relax the shoulder, and have fun. 2, make every note count. Sometimes when we're learning music, we rush through, we don't really pay attention to the details. We sometimes will miss a note, even in the left hand. For example, I'll play this now in a way where I'm not really thinking about it. It's okay. But now I'm going to play it with proper articulation, which is non legato, slight spacing between the notes, with the right hand posture that we talked about. So I shaped the phrase so that it has more interesting character. And if I put the hands together, proper hand posture, using articulation. Record yourself. Listen and see if you're playing it with proper articulation. 3, practice your technique. This is so important. For example, if you're learning a song in the key of G, you want to play your G scales and arpeggios. For example, being able to do that will definitely make it easier to play the song in whatever key you're playing it in. Do the work, which means practice as much as you can so that you can get lost in the music. That's the goal for every musician. We want to get to the point where our hands know what to play so fluidly that we can just experience the reverie of emotion and expression as we play. I suggest aiming for 30 minutes a day as a start. If you can't do that much, it's okay. Just a little bit, even if you did 5 or 10 minutes, but every day, then you'll see a change. Ideally, you can do more time, but if you can't, do what you can, and you'll see a difference. And finally, immerse yourself in the music. Listen to the classical music. Study about the composers, their lives, inspirations. You might find inspiration too. For more tips about how to play classical music, please join us over at Pianote, where we have tons of information. I think you'll really have a good time in our community.